Life is not measured by the moments we live, but by the meaning we give them. Today, we explore a poem that captures the quiet beauty of existence, a poem that transforms ordinary living into an extraordinary spiritual journey. Rabindranath Tagore, poet, philosopher, musician, painter, and the first non European to win the Nobel Prize in Literature, remains one of the world's greatest voices of wisdom. Born in 1861 in Kolkata, Tagore reshaped modern Indian literature with his unmatched ability to blend emotion, spirituality, nature, and human introspection. His works are deeply rooted in human relationships, inner awakening, and the soul's search for truth. Through poetry, Tagore invites us to look within to discover that the divine, the beautiful, and the eternal are all hidden inside the small experiences of life. Poems of Life is not a single poem but an essence, a spiritual reflection on existence from Tagore's broader body of work. It mirrors his central philosophy that life is sacred, ever-changing, filled with joy and sorrow, and ultimately a path towards self-realization. Each section of this poem, like reflection, represents a different dimension of life. The innocence of beginnings, the struggles of the journey, the acceptance of change, the discovery of purpose. Let's explore each part stanza-wise and understand Tagore's deep message hidden behind simple words. Stanza 1 talks about the beginning of life. Tagore describes life as a gift, something that arrives quietly like a dawn spreading light. He suggests that our existence is not accidental. It is purposeful, filled with potential. In this section, Tagore captures the innocence of child and the wonder of simply being alive. He reminds us that every life begins with hope, curiosity, and the promise of growth. Stanza 2 talks about life as a journey. Here, Tagore compares life to a long road that we must walk with courage. There will be challenges, storms, and moments of fear, yet every hardship faces and shapes our character. The message is clear. Obstacles are not meant to break us but to awaken our inner strength. Life becomes meaningful not in comfort but in the courage we show while moving forward. Stanza 3 The Beauty of Change. Tagore emphasizes that life is constantly changing, seasons shift, relationships evolve, and dreams transform. He teaches that resisting change leads to suffering, while accepting it leads to peace. Just as trees let go of old leaves to welcome new ones, we must let go of fear, ego, and old identities to grow. This stanza celebrates transformation as a natural and necessary part of life. Stanza 4 The Search for Purpose. In this section, Tagore explores the deeper meaning of existence. He suggests that life is not just about survival but about discovering why we are here. Our purpose, he says, is found in love, compassion, creativity, and serving others. Through these acts, we connect to something greater than ourselves, the divine consciousness present in all beings. Stanza 5 talks about life as a spiritual experience. Tagore ends by portraying life as a sacred journey of the soul. Every moment, joyful or painful, becomes a step forward towards inner enlightenment. He encourages us to trust life, surrender fears, and realize that the universe is always guiding us. In embracing life, we fully discover our own divinity and our own identity. Let me conclude, students. Poems of Life in Tagore's gentle reminder that life is not a burden to endure, but a miracle to experience. Every joy, every sorrow, every change, and every challenge contributes to our growth. Life becomes beautiful when we live with awareness, gratitude, and love. If this explanation helped you understand Tagore's wisdom, Like the video, share it with someone who needs inspiration, and subscribe for more poem explanations and motivational lessons. Let's continue exploring literature that heals the heart and awakens the mind.